Alright, so here's my newest project, top M60 with a 249 gearbox out of an A&K. Gearbox is stock right now, but we'll soon have some internals. See 249 hop up there, and custom collar, different side rails here. Homemade box mag. Again, out of some 249 internals, cut down from a previous box mag project, and I just made the box itself out of some 1/4 inch corrugated plastic. 11-1 lipo stuffed in the hand grip. Enough room in there for a 1404 MOSFET. Yep, that's it. Next video will be shooting.